Gator Golf USA, welcome back to another unboxing series. I'm going to try to make this a quick one. Yes. I'm going to tee off in about 50 minutes. We got rained out this morning, but we're gonna try it again. Blackout coffee. All right. First one's from Golf Ball. Oh. Not it. First one's from Golf Ball Planet. They sell, I guess, recycled golf balls, but they're mint, grade A, B, C, and D. And I found these from a guy I follow on YouTube, Mr. Short Hitter. So I ordered, and then I used his promo code MSH18 at the checkout, and I saved 18%. And I did not cut the box very well. Cut away, cut away, cut away. Wow, they really did a number on this. We'll just go right in there. And they are loose, but they're in a bag. So I got got 2 dozen of the Callaway Chrome Soft Triple Tracks, which I really love. And this shouldn't be no surprise, a dozen of the Triple Track Chrome Soft in Jello. And these could be the ERCs, but they're pretty much the same. And then I got a dozen of my favorite golf balls, TaylorMade Tour Sprint Stripes. Okay, and it comes with an invoice, and I got the mint. I think I got the mint in all of them, but no. The Callaway Chrome Soft Triple Track I got mint. The Chrome Tours in yellow I got grade A. And the TaylorMade Tour Sprint Stripe Lime I got in grade B. So the 12 TaylorMades were $24. The 12 yellow Callaway Chrome were $30. And then I got 2 dozen of the Chrome Soft and White Triple Tracks, and they were $22 a dozen. So $43.98. And I don't see my discount on here, so I think they, after I emailed them, I think they credited me back 18% on my credit card. So there you go. That is Golf Ball Planet for slightly used but not abused golf balls. Golf Ball Planet. And if you want, I'm sure Mr. Short Hitter wouldn't mind. MSH18 at checkout. I didn't really need any more golf balls, but I love Mr. Short Hitter, so. And this is not an auction so much, but I found a guy on Marketplace, and I bought some fairway wood. So let's get these open real quick, because I got fly. just take one out because they're all the same. If I get this one out, that one's I got a lot of stuff to do, so I haven't filmed any on course golf stuff, and I haven't done much unboxing, but I got stuff lined up. Well, that's the 5-wood. We'll just show you that because I got the 3 and the 5-wood. You'll see it in a minute. The Big Saw. Look at that. This one is 18.5 degrees. It's got 60 gram regular flex shaft. They have their own grips. Let me show you the shaft real quick. Upside down probably always. You know, camera don't do it any justice. That's the 5-wood. Top line. I think these were infomercial clubs, if I remember right. Alright, that is the 3-wood, and that's what I was. No, that's the senior shaft. Let me pause for a second. Alright, I bumped the camera. Shit shut off, but I didn't get what I ordered. He sent only one 3-wood. And the rest are 5-wood, so he obviously we miscommunicated, but here's the 3-wood. 14.5. Same everything. 50 gram. This is a senior flex too. I didn't even get the regular shaft, so don't know if I'm going to bring it out today and try it, but we could try it. I'm a senior now, so. And I don't know, head cover's alright, kind of cheap. Anyway, I gotta fly. Stay tuned for some more unboxing videos. Later, Gators. Uma. Bye.